Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're someone who loves web development, e-commerce, or making money online, then today's video is for you. I'm about to introduce you to a beautiful, professional, and fully responsive hunting gear website that I recently purchased for $123. But here's the best part. I'm offering it to you for just $10 only. Yup, you heard that right. So, what's this website all about? It's called Kendall Gray Outdoors, a clean, fast, mobile-friendly e-commerce website designed for outdoor and hunting gear. It includes a responsive homepage with banners and product listings, product detail pages with add-to-cart buttons, a bestseller section, and a beautiful UI/UX layout written in pure HTML and CSS. Whether you're a beginner learning to build websites or someone planning to launch an online store, this template is perfect for you. Now, let me make this clear. The website was originally created for Kendall Gray, a popular outdoor creator. But I only bought the code, not the brand, for personal use and learning. Instead of keeping it to myself, I'm sharing the code with you for just $10. That's right, I paid $123, but you'll get it for less than the price of a sandwich. What's included? You'll get full HTML and CSS source files, all images and assets, clean, well-organized code, and easy customization options for beginners. And once you buy it, it's yours for life. So how can you get it? It's simple. Click the link in the video description. Pay just $10. Download the full project instantly. That's it. No waiting. No extra steps. If you want to learn coding, launch your e-commerce idea, or resell the site to clients, this is your chance. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and grab the code from the description. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.